Thayũ, thayũ, thayũ. Kametho wa kahiga wa Mũngai, Mũmbũi wa mbarĩ ya marigũ. Harika rĩa wathani kana rĩa ũkũri wa thĩ nĩ Maina ngaciarwo nĩ Mwangi. Na ndokorwo rĩngĩ tũtiĩrĩgaine. Ngwĩhoka mũrĩ o kuo na thayũ, na Mwene Nyaga nĩamũmenyereire, nĩamũrangĩrĩte, na mũtirĩ na kanaĩ o gothe. Ũmũthĩ nĩ ndoka nĩguo atĩ ũmũthĩ tũke twarie kĩa mũmaitha, twarie gĩthũngũ o hanini. Nokorwo video ĩno ndahota kũmĩcokera na Gĩkũyũ, no nĩngwenda nginya nĩ ũndũ wa andũ arĩa mataraigua Gĩkũyũ nao nĩgetha mahote kũmenya ũrĩa ndĩrenda kuga. So now here, I'm having something that I have got in my hands. This is a pupa which now matures to become a butterfly. This one is a pupa. Those who know it in Kikuyu, they call it wakaguku. Wakaguku. Now, there is a pupa. You can use a pupa in many ways. You can use a pupa to cure something, and also you can use a pupa to manifest your life. So you can use a pupa to manifest your life because the pupa has come from other two stages, which is the egg. It develops into a larvae, then into a pupa, and then it will develop into a butterfly. So you can manifest a pupa. You can manifest your life using a pupa, so that when you manifest your life using a pupa, you will develop, your life will develop to another stage. And a more beautiful stage, like a butterfly. A butterfly can reach high by flying using its wings. So even you, when your life develops into a new stage, into a butterfly, then you can go to higher heights. There is also the meaning of a butterfly spiritually. So if you research on the butterfly, on the spiritual meaning of a butterfly, now you will understand what can you manifest when you are in the butterfly stage, or when your life has developed from a pupa into a butterfly. And that is how you can use nature to manifest your life, because nature has come from Mother Nature. Mother Nature has created us through our mother's wombs, so that we have come into this world. So we can use the nature because we are in a cold relationship with nature. So we can use nature to manifest our lives into a better life. So that's how you can manifest with people. You can call upon the angels that deals with nature and with healing. You can research on that. The angel that has been assigned to the nature department that deals with nature and healing. You can call upon him so that when you are manifesting, he will help you and guide you on how to do it. Peace. Thayũ, thayũ, thayũ. Kametho wa kahiga wa Mũngai, Mũmbũi wa mbarĩ ya marigũ. Amarika merĩ ma ũkũri wa thĩ. Ndĩ Maina ngaciarwo nĩ Mwangi. Na o mũthenya nĩ njugaga nĩ thayũ. Thayũ, thayũ, thayũ.